Activating notifications on your Visible 2026 device is essential for staying updated on calls, messages, and app alerts. Follow these steps to enable notifications effectively. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings app on your Visible 2026. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Navigate to Notifications. Scroll down and select the Notifications option within the Settings menu. This section allows you to manage notification preferences for all apps. Step 3. Choose an app. In the Notifications menu, you will see a list of all installed apps. Tap on the app for which you want to enable notifications. Step 4. Enable notifications. Once you are in the app's notification settings, toggle the switch to enable notifications. You may also customize the notification sound, vibration, and display options according to your preference. Step 5. Repeat for other apps. If you want to activate notifications for additional apps, return to the Notifications menu and repeat steps 3 and 4 for each app. By following these steps, you can ensure that notifications are activated on your Visible 2026, keeping you informed and connected. Enjoy your device.